Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Instagram to get all the newest features. First, make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi or has mobile data. On iPhone, open the App Store, tap your profile icon in the top right, then scroll down to see if Instagram has an available update. Tap Update if it does. On Android, open the Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and tap Update if the button is available. If you don't see an update, make sure your device's operating system is compatible with the latest Instagram version. Updating your OS can sometimes unlock new app updates. Once Instagram is updated, restart the app to make sure all new features load correctly. You'll now have access to any latest features such as Reels enhancements, new stickers, or layout changes. And that's it. Updating Instagram is quick and ensures you don't miss out on any new tools or improvements. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.